Hello lovelies, it's Chastity. I am wearing a top. It is a bandeau. I decided that it was the best thing to wear for this particular video. I'm doing an unboxing today from Pacifica. And there was something else that I was supposed to say in introducing this. They were having a sale where you get free shipping, and I was like, yes, sign me up, right? So let me go throw that in trash. You know what? No. And so I was like, yes, now is the time for me to get my I'm gonna show y'all everything. Here it is. Oh wait, you're gonna use a packing slip there. Look at the pretty freaking paper. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Okay, but look, y'all. I just love that paper. Y'all know I be getting excited about the little things. So I said now is the time for me to get the product is in here. Ooh, she tall and slim too, girl. She could be a model. Ooh, is this glass? It's glass! Oh, child. Oh, honey. Oh my gosh. A light, clean foundation. Y'all, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, this is glass. I did not know this was glass, and I also did not know that it was 0.9 ounces. But I'm not complaining. Okay. This tissue paper though. Y'all, this tissue paper. It has, of course, it has the Pacifica signature unicorn. I was about to say Capricorn. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. But it has this. Oh, I like this little paper. I don't know what I'm going to reuse it for, but it's still good. So I'm going to use this again. So yes, I've been wanting this, y'all. I've been wanting this foundation for months. I don't know how long they've had it, but I've wanted this. I've wanted this since last year. It's a frosted glass bottle, I guess you call it. The little gold cap. Oh, I like the little design here. I got the color Warm Tan 09WT. Y'all see that? Formulated without silicone, formaldehyde, phthalates, mineral oil, or parabens. And that, my friend, is why I love Pacifica. As I said, it's 0.9 fluid ounces, 28 milliliters, oil-free, anti-shine, and satin finish. I have oily skin, so this is good. Child, this is plastic. It's a little pump. It's a little pumpy pump. I think it will I think I can go ahead and pump it out. I'm gonna put it on my hand. Oh, she pretty. Y'all see that? It's still a little. I think she might be my daughter. Oh, y'all are excited. Okay. I'm going to use my Eco Tools sponge. This foundation is pretty. I don't know what my setting spray is, so I'm just spray this. In here I got water glycerin and tea tree oil, I think. And that's what I'm going to spray on this sponge. Dampen it. Smells good. Yeah, it should be good. Let me get my mirror. Let's see. Oh, please. I gotta get this off my hand because if I don't, it's gonna bother me, I feel like. Or I can just not let it bother me, or let it not bother me. I wash my face with that Pacifica charcoal soap and I use my brush. So I wanted a clean foundation to put this clean foundation on. Now I got a couple of visitors. I got a few, I got a group. These two, who are you? And then this one here, I didn't want to extract this one because I didn't want whatever is going to be open to then spread it on my face. So I didn't do that. And then we got a couple guys up here. So hopefully we'll be able to cover them with this foundation. Is this a full coverage? Oh, you can open it. Oh, okay. So, shake well, use on clean, primed skin. We'll just call that the coconut oil. Blend outward with your favorite beauty tool or fingers. Can be set with Pacifica setting powder. But I'm saying though, these ingredients, I just love them. Is this full coverage? That's why I needed my computer over here so I can look up something. Okay. So, where's the product? Oh, yeah. Oh, what I got excited about was brown seaweed extract. Like, come on. Are you kidding me? Radish root. Ferment, filtrate. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I was gonna go and look on their website and see if it is full coverage or medium. Hold on. I almost got the liquid cover concealer. I was like, oh, $13? Oh, 13. Then I was like, girl, get what you want. Okay, so I'm going to, I really like Pacifica's shade selection. They have 30 shades, and I think that they're pretty fair in range. It says, get the flawless coverage of your dreams in 30 shades designed for real skin tones. Our innovative, non-comedogenic, dermatologist-tested formula goes on smooth, covers pores, and lasts throughout the day. But we weren't just concerned about creating your perfect shade. We also care about the ingredients you use. This formula is free of silicone, parabens, phthalates, talc, BHA, BHT, petroleum, and drying alcohols, and a huge list of other things your skin doesn't love. Immediate results, flawless, seamless coverage, skin feels clean, more radiant, healthy looking skin, pore-free appearance, and vibrant. Last day to night. After 6 weeks of use, skin looks more healthy, skin feels smoother. Okay, let me just show y'all this beautiful young woman they got on this website. Get out of my face, please. Can you go? Girl, you better pop. So I'm going to go ahead and put this foundation on. Oh, I need the mirror. Oh, just y'all too. Okay, so I'm going to apply with this sponge, of course. This is my Eco Tools sponge. I think I'm going to, let's see. Oh, girl. Oh, yeah, you got to shake it. Is it moving? Okay. I like that it's thin. I like that it's that light. I don't know how much I need because I don't know. I'm not familiar with this foundation yet, so I don't know what I need. Oh, there you go. I don't know how much I need. I like, oh, I like it. I like it. Oh, I like it. It smells good. I can see in this. Oh, give me this mirror. Listen, y'all. I want y'all to be as excited as I am, but I don't think y'all will be. Honey. Oh, I was supposed to see if it said it was full coverage. I did not see, but I feel like it is. I don't think I see. Why it match so good? Why so match good? Oh my gosh. Honey. That's perfect. Oh my gosh. I want to cry. This matches so good. Oh my gosh. I want to put some more on and see how much how it builds. Wow. Yes, it's a I think it's a perfect satin finish. I mean, seriously, let's see how it builds. I have some sensitive places on my face. I can feel it when I put this on, but it's not bothering me that much. And the reason I wanted to get this foundation above any other foundation is because it's clean, and if I'm putting something directly on my skin, I want it to be clean as I want my foundation to be clean if nothing else can be, because I'm putting it directly on my skin. At least this could probably block something from out of a blush or eyeshadow or something. This is very pretty. It's very pretty. It matches really well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Speaking of lovey-dovey, I gotta go wash my hair, but I just really wanted to do this video. I like it. It matches my skin. It feels good. It's pretty. It feels like I have lotion on my face. It feels like lotion. It really does. It looks like how the models on the page skin be looking. I like that I feel this way because it's like, you know, that's what they're wearing because it looks the same when you got it on. Well, I think it goes without saying I'm very satisfied. This foundation is $16. Plenty worth it. I'm not going to be, oh my gosh, my tea's getting cold. Yep, it is. I'm not going to be putting foundation on every day, but they said the more you use it, the more it helps your skin, so I want to be using it a lot. I should be using it like 3, 4, 5 times. Oh, where's the cap? But yeah, I should be using it. I'm gonna use it for every video. I love this foundation. I'm completely satisfied with it. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about it. If I did, I probably wouldn't say it because I just don't like saying bad stuff about things. It is creasing on my eyelids, but so if you like to put your foundation on your eyelids and, you know, without like a base or any type of primer or anything, it's creasing. So that is something to know. Oh my gosh, girl. If you don't get your life together soon. Okay. And of course this is Pacifica mascara. So that is it, y'all. My unboxing and first impression of the Pacifica Alight Clean Foundation. I got the color 09WT, and I think it is my perfect shade, and I'm so glad that I finally found my perfect shade of foundation. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's really like my perfect shade. It looks like skin. It looks like my skin. Oh, yes. So yes, I will leave links if you want to purchase this foundation on Pacifica Beauty. That is where I got it. And I'll also leave the link if you want to purchase it on Amazon. I adore, and look at how we just, Pacifica has this thing where Pacifica is really particular about their packaging. Like, this is on purpose. That is one of their things. We have clean makeup. We love the planet, and we love to give you the makeup in a nice packaging. And they don't disappoint. I love this. I love even more this glass. I really thought it was plastic. Every time I saw it on the website, I thought it was a plastic container. And it's glass. I love it. I would listen, if I had a dresser, I would sit this on a dresser for decoration, like how my grandmother used to always have her perfume bottles on her dresser. So anyway, this is a light clean foundation from Pacifica Beauty. I love it. Go and buy it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Wear clean makeup. Take care of yourself and others and the planet. Do good and be good. Bye.